Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about riding on the Zero Twin. Because you'll never see me jump it. And when my grandfather comes back, I'm gonna try and get the four-wheeler running. So what's wrong with it is it's getting no spark, so it's something in the ignition, or the spark plug could be bad. And if it is bad, then I'm gonna have to get a new one of these, because I'll show you. The top of it came off, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there. And that's it for today's video, and I'll see you. I mean, it's not it, but I'm gonna post one in just a little bit, actually right now. So make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you don't subscribe, I'm not gonna YouTube anymore. So please subscribe. And by the way, I'm a Christian, a God believer, and if you're wondering, that's not Wendy. That's because I'm Forster Gant, and I film with my grandmother's phone, and my grandmother's is Wendy. So make sure you give this video a like and subscribe. Bye.